everyone, my name is Michelle Leon. I'm the operations manager for Levil Technology, and I am here at the Tech Labs open house. We have had the privilege of getting to work with Tech Labs for 10 years. We manufacture CNC machines that we like to say are capable, compact, and complete. We take a large machine and put it into a small footprint so that it fits in any classroom, can roll through a door, plug in to a standard outlet. They're going to allow any student to learn real-world skills, things that they're really going to need in industry. They're going to be exposed to things like automatic tool changers. We can add robotics to it for automation. We can get more complicated. We could do 3, 4, 5-axis machining. We could do additive and subtractive manufacturing. We're very grateful that Tech Labs is helping us get technology such as this into every classroom.
My name is Anthony Thomas. I'm here representing APT Manufacturing Systems. What I want to show off to you here is our industrial learning systems. This is designed as a training tool for all things from electrical components through panel building, through motor controls, PLC programming, HMI. It does it all. So you can see here on our cart, we have all these individual modules. So one of the advantages of using this system is you can literally buy one big base and you can train on just about every single concept for industrial mechanics and things like that.
Hello, so I'm Alistair. I'm here at the Tech Labs Open event, and I come from a company called Matrix based in the UK. We have been working with Tech Labs now for a year or 2 years, and we focus on manufacturing desktop equipment for technical education. So mechanical, we've got aerospace, electrical, manufacturing, automotive and skilled trades. All of our equipment is portable and desktop. Lab space is at a premium, and some labs need to be used for mechanical, and then the next day automotive, or the next day electronics, the next day aviation. So we adapt to that. For all of our kits, you get free curriculum. This includes lesson plans, teacher's notes, student handouts, everything you need to teach using our kits.
Hey, my name is Mike Hayden. I'm the director of Additive at Tech Labs. We had our annual open house here in Katy, Texas. The highlight this year was our new additive certification through Stratasys and NOCTI, the National Occupational Certification and Training Institute, so that students can earn a certificate for Stratasys FDM and PolyJet 3D printers. So our newest program for education is a 5-year material and service plan that allows schools to get into printers and then have 5 years of free materials available to them, along with 5 years of service agreement. And we're very excited because it's going to open up schools to almost unlimited printing so that students can learn and actually use the printers to their fullest extent. We're excited about the future of additive technology and all of its growing materials and machines that are out there. And we're happy to help you here at Tech Labs. Please contact us for any of your additive or 3D printing needs.
Hi, this is Lane Larson with Fronius USA, and we're here at Tech Labs Open House doing some live welding and educating the educators on Fronius. We're showing with Tech Labs our professional welding tools, live weld demo here. We have multi-process MIG-TIG stick machines that we're showing and doing some live welding. We also have automation and robotic systems that we're showing with Tech Labs. So Fronius has started working with Tech Labs earlier this year to get Fronius exposed into the education welding schools, high schools, colleges, technical schools, to have Fronius exposed to students where they will be experiencing the Fronius brand in the industry when they get out of school. And we want to be able to help those students be familiar with the Fronius brand as they're learning.
Hey guys, we're here at the Tech Labs open house here in Houston, and I just kind of want to show you guys some of the Mod-Weld here by APT. It integrated the CLX10 as well as the Fronius power source, where we can do some really tricky, really fun stuff like welding galvanized steel to aluminum. It's your FANUC industry robotics there. Can do a lot of really fun stuff. Collaborative, meaning that the moment that you bump it, she's going to stop for you. With a quick reset, we are right back to welding. So this is meant to complement a welder and teach the skills of working with a robot.
My name's Jim Wall. I'm the Executive Director with SACA, the Smart Automation Certification Alliance. It's great to be here. Tech Labs today had an opportunity to talk with schools and companies about how they might be able to use this SACA system of stackable micro-credentials.
And we had a great time and appreciate the invite to Tech Labs Open House.